Alright, Jimmy here. That's Maria. That's Luigi. Geppetto's somewhere else. He's a tuxedo cat. But Maria, she knows how to open doors. I'm gonna walk away right now, and you're gonna see her put her teeth in here and pull the door open. And they're all gonna escape. What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? Get back in here. Psst. Get back in there. Get back in there. Geppetto. Geppetto's the only one that didn't listen. Right, buddy? Say hi to the camera. Here, look, it's right here. You're a cute guy. Here, come on now. Be cute inside. There you go. Maria, naughty kitty.